So I don't know where I'm going to add this in to either of my videos. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just so excited. I had to show you guys what just came to my front door. It is pure mom happiness. I'm not joking. Just brought my disinfectant wipes. Oh my goodness. Hello everybody and welcome back to Jazzy61. So today's video is going to be my mommy nighttime routine. I just want to show you guys what I do every night and maybe motivate you guys to do something similar. So the first thing I do is try to clean the kitchen. I do it before I take my shower and everything because I move around a lot. It gets hot. I'd rather have this done before I shower. This is the longer, more tedious process. So the first thing I do is, of course, load the dishwasher and get everything cleared out of my sink from that evening. Once I get the dishwasher loaded, I'm going to break out my disinfectant wipes, which I'm so excited to have finally after like a month. I'm going to wipe down my counters, my cabinets, my refrigerator, the stove, all the handles, every knob that we touch on a consistent basis. I do this every night before bed just to make sure that I get everything disinfected for the next day. So I'm going to go ahead and be quiet, put a little music on, and let you guys enjoy my nighttime routine and this bit of cleaning motivation. Okay, now that I got the kitchen together, I'm going to go ahead and get my stuff ready for my shower. I like to get it put together before I go and get into the shower. I usually wear like a sports bra and a pair of shorts or something like that, or a night dress, something. So I'm going to get all that out. I'm going to also grab my robe because I don't be walking around on camera with a sports bra on. Those are sloths. I love that little robe. Got it from Dollar General. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and turn the shower on, let it get heated up, and let that filter get to working. You guys, I need the shower. I need it so much. We worked out today. I've been running around chasing a toddler all day. This shower is much needed. So your girl is finna get off in this here shower. I'm just gonna get my hair pulled up so it doesn't get wet. It doesn't really matter because it looks rough. But anywho, out of the shower now. So I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth. I brush my teeth in the morning and at night. I like going to sleep with fresh breath and waking up and brushing them again. I don't know. It's just my thing. Once I get my teeth brushed, I'm going to go ahead and put some lotion on my legs and things. We use the Aveeno eczema lotion because we do a little bit of eczema at my house. So we want to make sure we keep our skin moisturized and hydrated to the best of our ability so that the eczema and things don't flare up. Once I get everything lotioned down and moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up the rest of my living room space. The reason why I'm doing it this way is so once I get out of the shower, my little one gets in the tub after me, and him and my husband will be in there, so it gives me an open space to clean up in there without anyone running around and throwing stuff everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead, after I put my lotion and stuff on, put out his stuff so that once he gets out the tub, everything is ready for him to go. And then I'll just go ahead and finish cleaning up my living room. As you guys can see, the toys and things are usually all over the place when it's time for me to come out there and clean up. My little one just drags everything everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything in here organized, put back together, and I'm also going to wipe everything down with a disinfectant wipe as I do every night so that when we start, we have a fresh, clean slate in the morning. I disinfect and wipe down all the tables, the TV stand, the remote, the controllers, everything that my son gets a hold of and decides to put his mouth on, which he puts his mouth on the TV. He's that kid. So I wipe every single thing down in there just to make sure that there are no lingering germs or anything like that. I'm also going to fluff the pillows on the couch here in a second. Once you sit on them so long, they kind of get sunken down in there and then they get loose, and it's really weird. But I'm going to make sure I get all of that wiped down, everything fluffed and put back together, and then I'll prepare myself to finally go to bed. Now that everything is all done, the only thing left for me to do is walk over to the door and make sure it's locked and go ahead and turn off the lights.